Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Lexus NX key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. It's a good idea to work on a clean, flat surface so you don't misplace any tiny components. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. You'll hear a slight click as the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now for the battery replacement itself. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the mechanical key back into its housing. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately. Check if the lock, unlock, and trunk buttons are all functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.